So you guys, who is this DoughDash chick? She's online telling us 50 and 60-year-olds that we need to get our ASS online and start YouTube today. But guess what? I heard she made $6,000 on YouTube this month. And I'm curious. So let's go check her out now.
I said, ooh, mirror, mirror on the wall, I'm now. I said, ooh, mirror, mirror, smoking.
So you guys, I was on YouTube minding my business, being nosy as usual, and I came across this YouTuber named DoughDash. Not DoorDash, but DoughDash. D-O-U-G-H. You know, like you kneading some dough, that DoughDash. Now, she's a content creator, young girl. Well, I call her young because she's younger than me. Young girl. She's on YouTube. She's making her money. And she's calling out to us older folks to get our butts online and make some money right now. So, as I was researching her, I started coming across all these content creators, like one after the other, talking about how she inspired them to get online. You know, DoorDash inspired me. Thank you, DoorDash. I've had a YouTube channel forever, but I never did anything. But thanks to DoorDash, I'm now doing something. And I've seen all these videos. In fact, I'm going to put some of them up here now so you can see for yourself.
Body crack. I said, ooh, this body banger, bitch, you need a pop. I said, ooh, God, why I gotta be so damn fine? I said, ooh, mirror, mirror on the wall, I'm now. I said, ooh, mirror, mirror, smoking body crack. I said, ooh, this body banger, bitch, you need a pop. I said, ooh, God, why I gotta be so damn fine? So far ahead of my lane, couldn't get there before me if you was even on a plane. Bitch, I walk around like I'm Rihanna and keep umbrella, I make it rain.
So, like I said, she became an advocate for people, older people, younger people alike, to all get on YouTube and make some money. So, she makes inspirational videos. Well, actually, she started out actually doing DoorDash and making her videos in her car, and she was doing YouTube at the same time, and she just continued, and she was consistent. So she talks a lot about being consistent. She shares how to start a YouTube channel. She talks about how her YouTube channel blew up. She's very inspirational to people that, you know, want to go out and start their own YouTube channel. She talks a lot to people that are still out there in the workforce and they struggling, working hard, and seem like they're getting nowhere. She kind of talks to them and you can relate to her. You can relate to her story. So I think that's why she's so successful. She have a great personality, and I enjoy listening to her channel. So you guys need to go over there and support her. And if you want to, start your own YouTube channel. But I'm going to share some more information about her here. Hey, before I do that, I'd like to ask you to do me a big favor. Can you go down there? If you haven't subscribed to my channel, let me tell you a little bit about my channel. I'm a carnivore. I came on YouTube really just to share my journey of going from being a vegan to being a carnivore to getting in optimum health. So that's what I talk about over here. But I just happened to see DoughDash's video and I just wanted to share it with you. So, like I said, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and please like this video. And if you have any questions, put them down in the comments. Also, I like to share other content creators over here. So if you subscribe to my channel, put it down in the comments and you're a content creator, and I'll shout you out in my next video. So here's the rest of my video, and enjoy. Have a nice day, and thank you.
Did you know you can make serious money on YouTube, even if you're over 50? Just ask DoughDash. She's earned over $6,000 this month, and she's got one clear message. Get your AZZ on YouTube. DoughDash has taken YouTube by storm, calling out older adults to try something new. Her videos are full of tips and motivation for beginners, proving you don't have to be tech savvy to succeed. On her channel, she covers everything: launching your first video, getting views, and yes, turning it into cash. Her journey is inspiring thousands, and people are already posting their own videos, starting a whole new chapter. So, are you ready to make money on YouTube? Let DoughDash show you the way. Check out my latest video and submit your comments.
I said, ooh.